Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time seeing me or watching any of my videos, you're welcome, sweethearts. I hope you stay and you subscribe to my channel as well. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to lighten your lips. A lot of people have asked me, what can I do to lighten my lips? Oh my god, I have a dark lips and it kind of, I don't know, I don't feel comfortable flaunting my lips. I'd like to tell you guys that some people are just naturally born with dark lips, that no matter what they do, they actually find it difficult to achieve a pinkish or reddish lips. While other times your lips can be dark as a result of smoking too much. Like when you smoke a lot, it can actually result to a dark lips. But in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to lighten your lips. So if you're battling with dark lips as a result of either smoking or you got your dark lips hereditary from your parents, then in this video I'm going to show you guys how to get rid of your dark lips. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so now. Click on that subscribe button down below so you can join the family. It is absolutely free. Also click on the notification bell right beside the subscribe button. That's so you'll be notified once I upload a new video. Also guys, just give this video a thumbs up if you do enjoy watching this video. Also share my video with your family, friends and loved ones who you think this video might be helpful to. And without much further ado, let's jump right into the video. Sugar. This is made out of small particles, which makes it easy and safer to exfoliate the lips. It is ideal for a sensitive skin. It scrubs out the dead skin cells on the lips. Toothpaste. You can use any toothpaste of your choice. For this video, I decided to use Close Up, and toothpaste helps to whiten the teeth. It also helps to achieve a pinkish or a reddish lips as well. Honey. This helps to moisturize the lips. It makes the lips softer and plump. This helps to achieve a pinkish or reddish lips when used frequently. Add a reasonable size of your toothpaste into a clean bowl. After adding your toothpaste, you go ahead to add your brown sugar. There's no precise measurement for this, so you can actually apply as much brown sugar you want. I added about half tablespoon. Then I went in to add as well my half tablespoon of my honey into the bowl. After doing that, all I have to do is to mix and stir this properly to form a very nice paste. So make sure you stir everything properly until you achieve the consistency you want. And once you are done stirring and mixing everything, then your treatment is available and ready to be applied onto your lips. So guys, I'm back with the ingredients. So I'm just you need to get a toothbrush. You should get an old toothbrush which you no longer use again. So I'm just going to use my toothbrush to scoop this right here. So I'm just going to use this to brush all over my lips. Guys, I'm back. I've rinsed the remedy off my lips. All I had to do was scrub that on my lips for about either 3 to 5 minutes precisely. Then after scrubbing that on my lips, what I did was to rinse it off, and this is the result I got in my first use of this. So let me just zoom this in so you guys can see what my lips looks like properly. So this is what my lips looks like when I rinse the remedy from my lips. That's how my lips looks like when I rinse the remedy off my lips. So you should do this about 3 times in a week, or better still, normally when you're brushing your teeth with like a regular toothpaste, you can just kind of scrub your lips with the leftover of the paste. Just scrub it on your lips whilst you're brushing your teeth. So you would actually achieve a very pinkish lips once you do this about 3 to 4 times in a week. So guys, try this at home and let me know if it works for you. And also you can actually apply coconut oil all over your lips just to keep it moisturized. So guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, do so by clicking on that red button down below. Also guys, share my video with your friends, family and loved ones who you think this video might be helpful to. Also click on that notification bell right beside the subscribe button so you not miss out on any of my videos. Guys, please follow me on my social media platform to see more of my amazing personality. Until I come your way next time, I remain your dearest host, Agachuku. Remain blessed. Bye guys.